Alright, here's my bearded dragon that's on sale for $100. And he's about to eat some super worms in like calcium and in the calcium powder, and I put some water in it just to get him hydrated. Oh, where'd he go? $2K11's his favorite game to watch. So yeah, if you guys want him, just inbox me. Because I'm looking forward to getting other reptiles, and I can't keep all of them, so... Oh.
Two of them.
Watch out. Ew. Half a worm. Eat this. There we go. I think he's full now. I don't know. I know I should be chopping up the heads, but it's too much work. And he's pretty strong to kill him. Full.
You're not gonna use cream in here, supposed to go cream or the door. Yeah, yeah. You didn't put it? Well, this one we can do inside now. Cell shape. We have to go outside now. You know, there is no depth enough. Yeah, especially if you put the zucchini. Because we done this before and the customers say no, I need to put back the zucchini and blah blah, and those is gonna bother. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they should have it.
So yeah,
No.
it's gonna take him a while to finish all this, or you might not finish all of them.
So on
But
this
I'll
one,
end the video here, and yeah, I'm looking forward to sell this guy. He's a really cool, he has really cool colors. It's like yellow around his head, like it gets gray around the tail. He has a nice yellow head. Alright, bye.